The Ford Windsor 3002 is a legendary V8 engine celebrated for its remarkable longevity, often exceeding 300,000 miles with minimal maintenance. Its straightforward design significantly contributes to its durability. Similarly, the Mazda BP engine, unveiled in 1989, has earned a reputation for high mileage endurance and reliability, frequently surpassing 200,000 miles even in demanding racing conditions. In a different realm, Toyota's 1.8 diesel engine stands out for its resilience under extreme conditions, capable of clocking over 500,000 miles, making it an ideal choice for challenging terrains. Transitioning to performance, the RB26DT features a robust cast iron block and aluminum head, designed to handle high boost levels without sacrificing durability. Notably, some of these engines have reached an astonishing 1 million miles. Shifting focus, the Volvo B18 engine, produced in the 60s and 70s, is renowned for its exceptional durability and reliability, powering numerous Volvo models even today. This engine's ruggedness has endeared it to classic car enthusiasts. Moreover, the Mercedes-Benz M113 engine epitomizes German engineering excellence, built for both performance and longevity. High-mileage examples continue to thrive, showcasing the brand's unwavering commitment to quality. On another note, the Porsche Mescar engine is celebrated for its reliability, achieving over 200,000 miles while delivering race-level performance, illustrating the perfect blend of power and durability. In the tuning community, the Nissan SR20 engine has garnered legendary status due to its robust design, adept at handling significant power upgrades without sacrificing reliability. Continuing with German engineering, the BMW M30 B35 engine exemplifies exceptional durability, marking it as one of BMW's longest-lasting engines, often surpassing 300,000 miles with ease. The Volkswagen 1.9 TDI engine also showcases impressive durability, commonly reaching over 400,000 miles. Its solid design and low-stress configuration have cemented its reputation as an unbeatable option in the diesel market. In addition, the Volvo B230 engine is recognized for its simplicity and over-engineered components, allowing it to easily surpass 300,000 miles. Mechanics often laud it as one of the longest-lasting engines in history. Similarly, the Jeep 4.0L engine is acknowledged for its toughness and capacity to tackle rough terrains. Its low-stress design frequently facilitates exceeding 300,000 miles without significant repairs. Furthermore, the Mercedes-Benz OM617 engine exemplifies durability, with some units exceeding 1 million miles. Its cast iron construction solidifies its reputation for reliability in challenging conditions. The Ford 300 inline-six engine is touted as a workhorse, effortlessly surpassing 300,000 miles. Its simplistic design and robust durability make it a favorite among truck enthusiasts. Finally, the Toyota 2JZ GT engine has achieved legendary status for its performance and durability, excelling in handling significant modifications while maintaining its reliability over time.